Alright, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be, well, kind of an upgrade video, repair video, whatever you want to call it, on a Speedrite 1000. This unit's already been fixed. We finally got some parts in to fix these Speedrite units, at least this small ones. The big ones we're still waiting on. The 6 joule and 12 and 18 joule, still waiting on parts for, unfortunately. But this one is a Speedrite 1000. It's already fixed, ready to go, but the guy asked me, he said, well, hey, how much does it cost to change over, to upgrade it to a 3000? I said, well, not a whole lot more money, but do you have a solar panel set up, or is it a straight 110 volt? He's like, oh, we just plug in the wall. I said, well, yeah, if you don't have to worry about the solar panels changing that stuff, then yeah, you can change over to a Speedrite 3000. So if you got a 1000 or 2000 that's working just fine, but you want a little more power out of it, we can help you out with that. We're going to show you how to do it. So now if it's not working at all, you've got to get the unit fixed first before you can upgrade it. But the Speedrite 1000 or the Stafix X61 are completely the same unit on the inside. God dang it. Just the cases are different. And out of the Speedrite 1000 to the 3000, all the parts are identical except the capacitor. The transformer and the modules are exactly the same. So pull this back cover off. There's the inside. There's your module board, your transformer and capacitor. So that's what we're going to change. So what we're going to do is we'll get into the capacitor real quick. This is the one we're going to use. It's a square-shaped one versus a rectangular one. But I think if we put it right there, or somewhere over here, we'll figure. We might have to trim away some of this plastic, but we'll figure it out here in a second. Let's. And I think we can cut the wires like right here, because this capacitor is actually still good. But we can always add more wire to that, make it longer, reuse it for something else. Let's put the capacitor, kind of set it there for a second and see. No. These things right here are getting in the way. So let's trim a little bit of that off. Almost a little bit more. I think that'll work. All right, get the power or the soldering iron juiced up here. Turn it on, warmed up, and we'll start getting the. There's no polarity. The capacitor, where which wire goes where, is a right and wrong way. So if you want to do this, just get a hold of us and we'll get you a capacitor, and you just gotta follow along how to do it. And we can either kind of pre-make it for you, get some wires soldered up on there, or you can do it. What we're going to do is we're going to snip some of that off. We'll add some solder to these wires, add some solder to these two tabs here, and then we'll fuse them together. And we'll turn this unit from a 1 joule to around a 3 joule. So down here, I'll just add a little solder to this one and this one, and then we'll take and add some solder, tin the wires on this one here, as well as that one. And then we'll this isn't the Speedrite capacitor, but this capacitor is basically the same thing, but a lot more reasonable in price than what their stuff is. Cut that little deal there so I can spread the wires apart a little bit better, and then I'm going to squeeze on these, make sure they're nice and tight. And then it doesn't matter which wire goes where. There's no polarity to the capacitors. So there's two tabs, little metal spades down in the middle. So pick the capacitor, put it right about there. And I think when we put this lid on here, that should hold everything in place. See what happens. I'm going to put the screws in it. Make it try and get one more hand. Get the power supply plugged in. We'll test it out. Okay, let's Alright, so this one's good to go. And I'll take the sticker. There it is. All done. Alright, so hopefully you like this kind of stuff. If you got a Speedrite 1000 or 2000 or an X or a Stafix X1 or X2, you'd like to turn it into a Speedrite 3000 or a Stafix X3 with just a new capacitor. If an X size bigger, you have to modify that case a little bit on the inside, but I showed how to do that. And we can get you squared away and get one coming to you. But give us a call there, number there, email me, text me. Website right there. So if you've got a fence chart needs to be worked on, I'll be happy to help you out. Until next time, have a good day.